Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stanislay. I know it's been about a year and some change since the last time I've uploaded a video, but I do plan on uploading more content and being more consistent. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look tonight, just stay tuned and we'll just get straight into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off by going in with my e.l.f. poreless putty primer. That is such a tongue twister, but I'm starting off by going in with that. I let it sit on my skin for about a minute or so, usually while I'm cleaning my makeup sponge to do my foundation, just so it gets time to set into my skin. My skin has been extremely dry lately, so I find that this product as well as a moisturizer really help with my final look. So now I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation with a clean damp beauty blender. What do you guys think about this foundation? I could not wait to get my hands on it once I ran out of my Fenty because I needed to try a new one anyways. And I don't know, like I like the finish, I like the foundation, but I think I'm definitely a Fenty girl. So now I'm going in with my Born This Way concealer and highlighting all those areas that we love to highlight. Okay, now this is such an important step depending on how you like to wear your makeup. This concealer is a medium to full coverage, so the longer you let it sit, the more coverage your makeup is going to be. So like I said, my skin has been super dry lately, so I tried to kind of get in there and get it done because girl, I am not trying to crease and crack throughout the day. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and contour all those areas that we love to contour. And if you know me, then you know that this black radiance contour stick is like my favorite. I haven't switched up in years. Like, I can't even remember the last time I've used a different contour stick or contour cream, anything. Like, this is definitely my go-to and I've stood by it and I'm sticking by it. I know it might look like I'm going a little hard on my nose contour, but I promise I'm not. I was just trying to focus on making sure I get those lines as precise as possible. So when you're doing a step, make sure you do use a light hand because you want to make sure that blend out with the rest of your makeup. So now I'm going back in with a lighter shade for my under eye because if the girls don't know by now, the girls need to know that I definitely love a bright under eye, so yeah. Now I'm just going in with my setting powder, and these days I do not bake. I try to put like as less powder as possible. I am not trying to look like a donut. My skin is extremely dry, so I don't bake anymore. I definitely set my makeup because I don't want it to crease, but I get that powder on and girl, I get it off. I get out of there. Yeah. I'm going in and setting all the places that I contoured, just like I set all the places that I highlighted. Now I'm going in and brushing away all that excess powder, and I like to brush in circular motion so I can like blend everything together so we can get a seamless, flawless finish and no harsh lines, girl. Just make sure everything flow. So now I'm going in with my blush, and blush is my favorite part of my makeup routine. Other than my concealer, blush is that girl. I feel like blush just ties everything together, and it just brings warmth back into your skin. Another pro about blush too, I know it looked like I used a heavy hand and I used a lot of blush, which I did. It's okay because I'm gonna go back in again and blend all my makeup out, and basically I used too much blush, but I'm gonna blend it all out and it's gonna be perfect. So yeah. So now I'm just going in with my setting spray and setting my makeup to complete the look. Okay guys, so this is my final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked my video. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be up on all my videos when they come out. And thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.